Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the concrete group. List G, generators, and any relations. Once done, remember conjugacy means gxg minus 1, so pick an element and compute its conjugates by each generator. You should do this immediately for a representative set of elements rather than every element. Make sure to note when conjugation sends an element back to itself, since that hints at a non-trivial centralizer. This idea will speed later counting. Next, compute centralizers for your chosen representatives. You can often use structure clues like cycle type or element order to guess CGX. Once you have CGX, compute the class size as G divided by that size. That tells you how many distinct conjugates to expect. While doing this, group elements by invariance, orders, traces, cycle structure, because conjugate elements share these. You should mark representatives for each expected class and list their explicit conjugates to confirm. Finally, assemble each conjugacy class with its representative and explicit members, then add up the class sizes. Make sure the total equals G and use the class equation with ZG to verify consistency. If you find a mismatch, retrace steps calmly. Recompute centralizers, reevaluate invariants, and check that you didn't miss conjugates generated by other elements. Quick troubleshooting tip. If sizes don't add up, inspect the centralizer computations first. They are the most common source of error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.